Hey Alexa, what's the weather like in Zadar, Croatia next week?
Sorry, I don't know that location.
So unhelpful. Pretty warm. An important thing about me, I spent 10 years living in 2 cities at once. And then there's the fact that I'm really OCD, kind of a neat freak, clean freak, orderly, organized, hate being caught unprepared. All this is to say, I am a really pro packer. I am finally, after all this year, actually going on holiday. The best kind, a beach holiday. And I really want to show you what I'm gonna bring. So, I've already kind of done this once this week. What is most important? Let's just do this over properly. I consider packing to be an art form. I meditate on a well-packed suitcase. I think that what you pack says something about your soul. These are not my clothes. One time, I packed my cats. Item number 1, crochet dress. Why is this so key? It is. Dressier dress for when I want to look more polished. Beach caftan to take your swimsuit to lunch. Always pack a pedicure. Caftan number 2, same line of thinking. Linen shorts with a stuck zipper. Versatile white t-shirt. Peasant blouse. Have a cup of tea before you really get into it. Onesie, perfect for any occasion except going to the bathroom. Probably for the airplane. And now, black basic onesuit with a little ruffle for water activities. Candy colored one piece for when I want to look cuter by the sea. And of course, the bikini. The airport. put on all of my biggest pieces. You can have too many shoes, but you can't bring too many sandals on a beach holiday. I could probably use one more shirt. And let's be real, also one more dress. I actually don't leave for 2 days. I forgot underwear. I'm really hot.